Hey guys, as you may see, there is no small wind turbine anymore. I dismantled it fully. This one, it keeps hanging. It survived the storm well. Rotates just barely because there is little wind, slightly about 2 meters per second. So it doesn't produce anything at this wind speed. Of course, it just like barely rotates. It has to pick up at least up to 3 to actually get some power. Yeah, it actually even stops. But let me show you what happened with the small one, because it's dismantled and I can fully analyze what happened. So here I have all those parts. This is vertical one that you have seen probably in some tests. So don't get it, don't buy it. This is this machine. Let me remind you, this is the S3 body, and this is her default generator, so it looked like this, and currently I have it with the modified gen. The gen is okay. The gen had proven to be absolutely nice. It actually was able to show me 280 watts at some time at peak, which is very good result for my test setup. And the only thing that failed, like this one was okay, even the blades were okay. So here I have 3 of them. They are fully in piece. They don't break. They don't show any symbols. This is just the dirt, so it's fully absolutely normal. But the only thing that failed is this self-made piece of hub. So let me explain you. You see how this part is bent specifically? So the blades were actually, they have some dirt build up here. And probably, I believe, because this is too fluffy, this is like really thin material, despite its use in a rotor brush cutter or grass cutter, and it's pretty sturdy, you know, because while drilling these holes, it took me a nice amount of effort to do this. But in any case, it's still too thin, way too much too thin, and I believe it must have a little bit got to the pine tower that I used to have. I actually dismantled it as well, and that maybe have caused a strike at some point, and then the nuts went out of bolts and the blades like failed, like I was showing you on the video. But still, the turbine itself is in piece, and the blades, and I will definitely recommend you them. I will actually give you the link. The blades are absolutely okay. Because they survived this kind of hits, and like that's also a good point for them. So you may see how it looks like. It's 0.81 meter length, one blade, and that's absolutely normal for a generator like this one, the modified one, or for the generator for SM3, because SM3 has arrived. I've shown you this in the short video, and very soon we will be checking and comparing it with the default S3 generator, the upgraded generator, and the default for M3 for that different one. So here we are just like checking what's the difference and why did it fail and what happened. But apparently the good thing is that we will still have it working in some time. To update you a little bit about the progress, so very soon, I believe in April, it will be done. So all these grapes will have the new grapes house, and of course there will be a tower in that place and in that corner as well. So this is where those 2 small guys, the SM3 and and this one reworked, they will be hanging. The height they will have, it will be even 1 meter higher than currently this one is. So that will be absolutely perfect for them. So they will actually see some nice winds, absolutely. So hope you like, and then the next video will be absolutely about unpacking SM3, and we will check what's inside.